Something happened to the colors here. I don't understand why. Yeah, everything is red except that. Nope, still white. I guess this one. Also not. Only one left. Yes, that's it. Top one. No, that's strange. Min.css overrules whatever I had. Why? Code background color. Oh, I think I get it. Yeah. Before this wasn't wrapped in code. I think I specified the color in main.css, but it wasn't code. What was it? At most this one. At most that one, or it isn't a variable. No, it's not a variable. Maybe something with pre. Nope. Let's find the color that it should be. So I could do find this, pretty sure that should work. And then just look for, oh, not even that. I mean, I do want the same, I do want the same color as this one, I think. No, it should be prism. Please let it be prism. Yes. Reload, scroll down, original. Reload, scroll down, red. Reload, scroll down, original. Where's my thing? It's already gone. Kidding me. No, that's not helpful. Background, maybe this one. Before I had a problem with not using prism. So I switched to prism and now we have different colors. All the colors are on one line, that doesn't help. But yeah, well, whatever. I'll use those colors. So I'm gonna do highlight. Code. Background color. Excusez-moi, it's still white. Why? Oh wait, it's Prism is loaded deferred, so it's loaded a lot later than this one. I have to add important. And still doesn't work. Gotta be kidding me. Why is it not working? Background color. Code. Oh, yes. It's not a class. It is not a class. Okay, now we have, I hope, the same background color as this. Yep. But maybe I don't want that. Maybe I should find a background color that I used to have. Not opposed to that at all. How can I get that back? I think I have to edit the layout / default. No. I have to edit this file here. And then do not disable this. And then restart this. And then reload. Actually, color is not even that much different. It's just that the text color is white. Nevertheless, now I want to know what the color is because I just insist on using exactly the same thing. Let's find the color. Alt tab. Go to here. Go back to assets. Do a find color. Find color, probably main. Back here, reload. Everything is red. Layer top. Put it closer to the reload. And it's gone. Thought I put a layer on top. I didn't. So reload. Original reload. It's gone. What layer is this? It's normal. Oh, it's reopened every time. Yeah, I close the window every time, so I'll just put it here. Original. I don't think it works. Must be doing something wrong. Definitely doing something wrong. Let's try this again. Fill it to find the right line, yeah. Cry. Now think about it, maybe I should even restart this thing. I'm not sure, but Yeah, it's not stored in main. Also not in Prism because I turned that off, so probably in this one, right? Nope. Oh, that's annoying. Also not. Don't tell me it's stored in Prism. Huh? I turned Prism off, as far as I know. Yeah, this is Rouge. It's using now Rouge, which is the default Jackal highlighter. Yet the color comes from Prism. But we don't know which one that is because it's all in one line. So I'll just have to edit this file and use multiple lines, I guess. Nobody understands how this works. Going to assume that it doesn't really matter where you put the white space. All those tokens on a new line. Item spin, what is this? Checklist. No, it should be good enough. I just do a right and then I can do an undo afterwards. Although that means that I need to cd docs/assets/css dot find color prism.css. The window over there, open this, reload it, saying that it is red, reload, red, reload, red, reload, original, reload, original, reload, red, reload, red. Shoot, that's one. Whatever. So that's the color that I used to use. Hello, Becca. I have my background now that I had before. Might as well also hunt the text color. So I have no idea where that came from, but I did see that it came from this file. I guess that one. But that would be any code with a class equal to language something, or a pre with the same class. And this one, same thing, right? Code not in a pre or a pre. Confusing. Oops, so now I'm gonna do undo. Oh, wait a minute. Hold up. Back here, undo. Just keep the file as it was. No rights and last change. What? Change something? Oh, I wrote it, of course. Yep. So then like that. And then you go back to just edit it here, why not? That thing. Make this true again. So now it's white, and I think I already know where that is defined then. That's this one. Oh, that is the right color. And I might as well set the color then, because that was wrong as well. See if I already have that defined somewhere. It's the default text color for some reason. And the header color. More like the inline color, inline command color. Let's call it the inline code color. That one is unknown, I guess. It's not used here. Okay, I made my variables red, but let's first look if this now finally works. Yep, well, this is readable again. Now I want to give everything the colors that I'm used to in my own editor. Oh boy, what is this? What the hell happened here? It's also a code or something. Yep, it's probably the same color as this one. It's not really visible. Pre, what color is the color of the pre? Looks like it. Color of the code. Pre code. It's the pre, right? Why? The background color is defined in. No. Is this? Yep, it's that. Theme blue min.css, and suddenly it's being used. I'm very sure it was not used before. So weird. So I want that to be the same color as, well, the normal background color. So because this, for example, inherit, it's not helping. Okay, and this is pre inside LE inside UL inside div content. Let's see if we can find that back. UL LE pre. No, nobody sees it. Suddenly that pops up. Why do we not have the default background color here defined? I have a text color for the body, but no default background color. So then what is it? Don't tell me how to find that now. It even overlaps here. Goes over my orange here. Why? And this is also wrong. Completely wrong. Things just completely changed. Horrible. Oh well, have to hunt them all down, I guess. So this one first. Maybe those are the last two things, as far as I can see. This was a pre, if you ask me. And I do not get why it is shifted over the edge here. Now, first let's fix the color. Okay. Can't even see anymore which it was. I think one of these. This one probably. Yeah, I think so. But that was also not the one. That's the one. Just a simple pre. Yeah, I don't see a reason to change that, except That's the color I want, I think. So this does not need to be important, I think. So this should fix it, except that yeah, no, it's still over the edge here, but the color is correct. Dang, man. Before I had this like in line, right? With the white block around it, like this, exactly fitting. And now it's all screwed up. Okay, but I think this pre is inside. So this is a pre, I think. This is certainly pre. Yeah, I like that aspect. That is a pre. A pre inside an LE and an UL. This might be what it used to be, but now the diffs are gone. And I don't have a highlight anymore. Yeah, indented comments or bullet points, that's what I wanted. So all of this has been changed. Well, not all of it, but definitely the pre-highlight. What if I just try to change this into, well, I have to set a background color now. It doesn't even have any colors here. That's the span, I think just this one. Let's try to delete this. So I do not have a class anymore. Probably don't even have a code anymore. Didn't see code. But let's try it first like that. And I need to put my background here. So this now drops out. The color becomes some tint, I guess. And no longer here. Almost good. We lost our dot, and the background of the lines are still weird. Well, actually, this background is weird, I think. That's the dark color that we use here, and I want this to be the same color as that. So it should be the background color of the code, which is not content background color. I think this one. Yeah, it's the command color. I don't have a background color for code. Are you kidding me, right? I think that was the 272822. Which has not been repeated here for some reason. I deleted it, right? Did not add it back. Background color var code background color. Yep, better, but still the UL of the thing is gone here in front of it. Well, probably it's not gone, but we shifted. We don't shift it anymore, something like that. So what padding might be missing or something like that. Yeah, see, I have a padding here. I think the whole code thing was gone. To the padding 0 already have. If I move these two lines here, I might fix it. Oh, it doesn't. Shit. Hello, Eric op. No, I did not finish it. Why would I have lost my UL? This is just a pre. I think it went over it. It moved over it. Margin. I don't know, man. Inline block. That's clearly the code. The code and the pre. And the pre is there. The code is shifted. to the left. And up, it seems. Well, this is the code. I do have code. Okay, so the padding is still there. That's the padding. No border. Code. I don't see anything that could be shifting it like that in the CSS. Padding, but it's not doing anything. Well, that's, I mean, this one, it's just a little bit. Background, border, font size, all not related. More colors, things that are overridden. The font, box sizing, well, it does shift, but it shifts everything. No idea what that is. Yeah, that refers to everything. More overridden stuff. Display block, but it's grayed out. Padding 9.5 px. Also grayed out. It's a bit fake. I do hide element, but the LE is still the word it should be. Why the hell is this shifted to the left? Doesn't make any sense, man. The bullet is still there. There it is. Also from the bloody theme bloom in. Margin left set to -20 pixels. Yeah, I just don't want anything from the whole pre to theme bloom min. Certainly not that kind of nonsense. What if I set the padding and the margin just to 0? No, it's a pre here. Padding is already 0. Good. Margin 0. No, it finally looks good. Yep, that's how it did look before. So yeah, just the same as that one. This is inline code, and then this is a multi-line inline code. And then I had another problem somewhere down. Yeah, here, this. I had the background before. Well, we lost our background and everything. It's just a big mess, this. Okay, also code. Code and pre. I have a pre-class debug output. No highlight. I'm not sure that the no highlight is working anymore. Debug output div pre, and now it's called now it's pre debug output, and then just code. Yep, we got a background back, but not everything is okay. Oh, this is the code. So that code is also not good. That's better, right? Except that it has a really weird place to cut the void hole. And the color is white now, bright white. That's better. Maybe. So the inline color, yeah. Code. one code is the other code not. It's not the other code, as it were. The code that I want to change is just the inline code that I added. So I need to know how this code can be detected as being inline code. It's just code. It doesn't even have a class or anything. It's code inside the paragraph, which is inside. Nobody knows. I think div content maybe. The article. So inline, yeah, I don't know. I have more inline code elsewhere as well. Yeah. So, getting exception for the code inside a pre with the class debug. Outputs. And I need to get rid of the previous code that I defined. That one. No, not that one. This one. It's pure awesomeness. Awesomeness, isn't it? I really had no clue. It's just... you ask a question, you have no idea, and then you get an answer. GPT-4 is definitely a real big improvement, I think, over ChatGPT 3.5. Pretty awesome. Except that I still do want to color. Okay, I repeat that, I suppose. That didn't work. Keep all is not highlighted. So something like word break. Yep. Super unclear. Looks like I'm normal. or yeah, break word. That's what I wanted. And already have that. No, I just added it, I guess. I don't know. Let's try this. Reload. Where is my... Oh, there it is. Yeah, that's better. Well, all that trouble just to recover from switching to another syntax highlighter, but it will be worth it because now we have the power, the control, I mean, to use whatever you want. I'll show you what I already figured out off stream before. I think everything looks good. Bleep. Okay, so what was I doing? I added this JavaScript, which is loaded after prism.js, and it adds new classes. So what it does is a word break std. In other words, std must be a word on itself, not be the last 3 characters of another word, followed by 2 colons, followed by vector list map set multi-map or multi-set, and then again the end of the word is there. The look behind means that we match all of that, but we only keep this, and that part is then highlighted as if it is a class name, but also gets the standard containers class. And then after that I gave sort of this is a new class for word break std, and this is a look ahead. So it only, the std is what it gets the highlight, but it must be followed by 2 colons. So here we get namespace vk, same thing of course, just a namespace, and Vulkan, and then we have a member variable which is word break m underscore followed by any well, at least one, but word character. So what is identifier character, which is then gets the class. Well, it mimics it. It gets the class variable, but also a member variable. Right. So now we need all the colors that we want to give it. Before vector was not even recognized. And now we have, say, vector is recognized. I gave the this is a variable now. I made variables red, so you can see that it works. You can also see that at least you see that Vulkan now is a little less bright than pipeline. So this gray value here is a namespace. Pipeline is not recognized as a namespace yet. And the same grayish value, so standard is a namespace, and vector now gets the same color as a class here. Before vector was just plain text. And also VK is a namespace color. But there is lots of work to do. For a start, I want to know what colors I was using. I want to make it the same as my own highlighting. Let's just look at this. Okay, my classes are green. Or not. I think this is the color that I use for namespaces, but as you can see, STD is green, so there's a big difference. Snore. Maybe I should make my Vulkan orange, like Linux viewer namespaces. Won't be too bad idea. Start with that for fun. So now I have a Vulkan here. Oh yeah, there's one other thing. I don't think it is being done here. So the inline code has no syntax highlighting. What? How annoying is that? And why? Good ask. I think the reason is that this is just code, right? It's just code. Syntax highlighting is applied to something else. Or maybe you have to add a class to the code, I don't know. Oh well, maybe I'll just leave this. I'm getting nuts. I'll leave the inline like this. But let's do the highlighting for at least for those blocks. I'm gonna need a lot of colors at the very least. And the best way to get them is by bulk. Oops, did I change something? Undo, redo. Oh, yeah. So how do we get them by bulk? That's a good question. By Vim highlighting, syntax highlighting, which lives in, let's make a new tab. Projects GitHub. Gold picker, not really, probably not. This one maybe, I don't know. Colors. Just follow the white rabbits. What is this? CW colors. Looks like it. Oh, we have colors. Foreground colors. Okay. Comment start. Comments. I could start with just copying everything, I guess. Or I can use the bulk approach. Let me give a quick look at all those Maybe a bit much. Maybe a bit much. Unused. It's not to do the unused. Special. Let's not do the special yet. Structure. Storage class. Type. Yeah, I need these values. Include. Is my include orange? Or what is it? Exceptions. Keyword is yellow. Operator, user label, repeat. Okay, let's just get them and then delete whatever I don't need, I think. Meaning, I think everything starts with a high space. Pretty much. And I thought that the first one that I wanted was not these. CD limiter. I don't like anything with background here. A Vulkan handle. Yeah, I might need that one. I don't think anything below. I don't recognize it. It's whatever. State of line. Wow. Let's do Vulkan handle and above. Grab. Well, before everything. Everything. No. I don't think so, but I know that's the last one. Normal match parent. Comment start. Comment L. What if we just start with nah, I just need a foreground color. I don't know why we need these things here that have a background color. You know what that is. Command L, just not do those things. Yeah, so we want everything with a foreground color. We don't want anything with a background color. Or anything else. So these, right? And then let's transform these into CSS variables. Execute, substitute, high, space, seems to work for me. The C stands for color. I have an identifier here, whatever that is. Is that, or What even is that? Keyword. Okay, so an optional C. I don't know if you can match that with a question mark. Extended regular expressions might be with it working, I don't know. And then I want identifier characters. Probably W doesn't even work here, but hey, we can try. One or more times. And then we get white space, as if that will work. Also at least once. And then we get that. And I can use that. Include that. Hashtag. Oops. And then I have no idea how to match hexadecimal characters. I'll just do A to F and A to F and 0 to 9. And then, well, anything else? Well, I guess it's greedy, so we can do that. Let's see if that works at all. Probably not anyway. That's pretty impressive. Hit in one. I had not expected that. Okay, now I have a question for GPT-4. Zip. New chat? Why not? This works. But I want and to be lower case. How can I do that? \L. Impressive, I guess. Let's see if that works. Yep, that worked. Yeah, what like you learn? Well, it worked. Okay. Should never have left. Docs. Assert CSS. Or should I? Because really I want to find... No. Main.css. I need 2 spaces. Where is my top here? 2 spaces and then underscores and then that and then a colon. Yep, and then a semicolon. Let's put color in front of it. Nah, I already have colors. A highlight color. It's called high color. Oops. Okay, my keyboard stopped. I guess I should have listened to the blinking red light. Let's see, these batteries, those are very small batteries. They don't seem rechargeable. Hopefully these batteries are still full. Well, I think it worked because now the LED is green. Generated with and then we had all the colors, but that wasn't enough. Brocader, yeah. I don't know. I'm trying not to use it as a script. I'm not even sure if it could do that. Let's just begin with one of them. What would be my namespace color? I don't even see it here. That's ridiculous. Okay, new trick. We go to triangle. Open something. Go to namespace. And click F10, I think. Or F11. I think F11. 11 doesn't do anything that looks like what I want. F10. F10, F10, F10. Yeah. CW variable tag. I think it's a variable. Bad syntax highlighting. What about pipeline? Namespace tag. Okay, so I have a CW namespace tag. And I don't have a namespace here. Why? I do. Why didn't I get it? Oh, there's no color in it. Namespace is linked as a type div tag. Do you have a type div? Type div. Nobody sees type div. Type div tag is a type. Do we have a type? Also don't have a type, then it's time to quit. Oh, there it is. Well, okay, I guess I can give namespaces a color of a type. So then we go here, or rather we go here. And now I have to figure out what somewhere I had highlighting. Yeah, dot token dot namespace. That should work, I think. Color var. Right, now let's hope that my namespace now becomes the type color, which is this one, green. Light green. Currently my namespace looks like gray. So probably doesn't work because I should put important behind it. Where's my namespace? There's a standard that has become, and Vulkan, it did become green. Wow, but not as bright as I expected. Nevertheless, it might, just might, look the same as in my, let's say, I wanted to go here. This should look the same as that color. Yeah, I guess. Is my keyboard still dead or what? Damn it. I think my something went wrong. Nobody knows what, but yeah, I don't have a close-up button anymore for this window anyway. And it's on the foreground, like I can't even get rid of it anymore. Can I minimize it like this? Also not. What the hell is this, man? There we are. I pressed on F11. That is what happened. And now? There we are. Okay. Now I want to go back to This, yeah, okay. Don't press F alone. Surprised that it works without an important. Got the feeling that an important is necessary. Where did I add it anyway? Oh, here. Let's add an important anyway. Or I could add all these colors to their own CSS and also load them deferred. No, wait. The defer is for the CSS. No, for the JavaScript. Not for the CSS. Why do I have to add important here? So weird. Okay, it's not added here. And if I do not add this one, what then? I mean, if namespace works and variable doesn't, that would be suspicious. Yep, doesn't. It's no longer red. To the important was necessary here. No, might as well add it here as well, I think. Okay, what other classes do we have now for token? That was defined in JS, oops, LS here. Already defined. Namespace. So we can set namespace Vulkan to be different color. Let's set this to orange, whatever that was. Color. It's back to red, and we have Vulkan somewhere. Does anyone see Vulkan? Yep, there it is, Vulkan. It's absolutely not orange. I mean, not as orange as this one. Let alone as orange as this one. How is that possible? How is that possible? Inspect. Click on Vulkan. See that the color is set to Linux color, which is, according to my inspection, that color. So it's probably the cause is just because these lines are so thin that the color is not, doesn't look the same anymore. But on the other hand, really weird. Really weird, yeah. Totally. I don't know. It says that the color of the text is this color. It just doesn't look as bright. Okay, and what other things do we have? Namespace VK, I could give that a special color. Or not, and I can give standard containers a certain color. I don't think I have a special color for containers to begin with. But hey, what color shall we do? A structure? I guess structure and classes are the same thing here. Let's use this one, see how it looks. Yeah. I'm looking for a vector or something like that. Exception, here we have exception. No, vector. No, it became purple. I bet I have variables as well. Variables. Include. Oh, an include. Could give include a thing. Is that an identifier my variable? Oops. Did I have that identifier? Don't know if I have include, but token include. I have an include here. Bleep inspect. directive keyword. Directive or keyword. People says it's directive, I guess. Don't have many directives. Might as well use directive. And the hashtag, what is that? Directive hash. They're orange here. Why are they orange here? Oops. Oh, there's orange, yeah. I just should use the same color, I guess, for the hashtag then. Which is called directive hash. Okay. And we went back to the old color. Comma, anyone? We went back to orange, but this is still red. Super confusing. Oh. Dot. Reloads. Finally. I guess this part is the included. So we can just look at it and it says string. I'll have a definitely different color for strings than for included, I think. See, all my included things are this color, whatever that is. And strings are this color. It's a totally different color, right? Yeah. Let's have a look for string. Well, this is a string at the moment. It says so. String, string, string. Yeah, token string. Switch here, switch there. Define dot token dot string. And set the color to var I color, hopefully string. Yes, you have it. And there's no difference between string and a CPP string, apparently. No. Increment string. Okay, but we have include here, so I want to have, or rather included. So we have included and include, I mean, we also have included. Let's make up a class for that. Dot token dot, what shall I use? Included, right? Nah, let's use directive included. Well, that's a new class. Now I have to convince my syntax highlighter to use that class. Prism CPP extensions.eas. I typed it wrong. I don't know. How do I tag that? And now it's already being edited somewhere. Oh, yeah. I was going to directive included, okay. I don't care about the alias. Let's call it a string, because that's what it was. And then the pattern, exciting, pattern. So I want to something that begins the beginning of the line. Can we match it? Let's go to this one. How can I match the beginning of the line in pattern? Is that a caret? So much text. No, we'll just try it. I'm going to assume that it works here in pattern. Oh, I didn't tell that. Well, I meant inside pattern. Include, well, white space, right? \s. More complicated than that. Maybe I should do anything but. Any number of times followed by. Why is my syntax highlighting looking so horrible here? Okay, I think I need here this one as well, and we go use the loop behind trick. Seems to be confused by my quote. Can I do this? Yep. Or do I have to escape the quote because it is interpreted by JS? I am. Yeah, okay. Guess my syntax highlighting is broken then. So this says blah, blah, angle bracket or quote, followed by any number of non-angle brackets or quotes, followed again by an angle bracket closing or a quote. We make that a matching group. And then we ignore the first part, which must be there though. And then we call that a string and directive included. That should work, I think. And we take the habit of using a comma everywhere, even at the end. Baha. Right. So, now what? Now I can reload it and it should work? No, of course not. Still need to add. It should work, yeah. Already added that. Reload, and now they are yellow, which is not what I wanted. Oh wait, I did want, yeah, that's what I wanted. They are yellow. So these are now yellow and these are yellow. Absolutely perfect. And my strings are also yellow. Ah. They shouldn't. Okay, let me have a closer look at this. Even this one. Inspect. That is token string. So it failed like totally. Yep, no directive. It did not match. That's weird. Well, it's not that weird. I just have to escape my codes. Don't listen to GGP4. Actually, it still doesn't look good in terms of. Okay, let's try this. Remove the quotes completely. See if then it works. Nope, did not work. Apparently that did not work because I saw a string here. Why would it call it string? Maybe it did work, but it calls it string. Carrots. Inspect. It's called string. So maybe it did work, but for some reason I'm not seeing my directive thing. But it is highly annoying. Let's call this built-in then. Wait, what did I have? I had, oops. I had string without quotes. Well, it was not good. Let's try string with quotes. God, I can't type. Nope. Still the same thing. Still called a string. What? Okay, so apparently it doesn't match at all. For some reason it's called a string. I'm not getting this at all. I'm not getting this. Definitely not matching. It's still yellow. Was it yellow before? Because it's still a string. Okay, let's go for something extremely simple now. That won't work. You really have to use this. Still string. You cannot get any grip on this thing. So weird. Maybe the alias doesn't exist. Let me use a namespace. That works. Stop peeling yellow. Token string. Span token string. Yeah, doesn't matter. Well, I give up and it's too late. I have to go to bed. I'll try again tomorrow, I guess. Chew, yeah. Hi Bear and Post Bunny. That's such a good idea. Let's boil the water. And let's get I lost my teaspoon. Teaspoons just vanish. I had 10 and then I had 5 and then I had 2 and then I had 1 and now I have 0. Why? How can I make chocolate milk if I don't have a teaspoon? It's pretty serious business. And I have to go to the bathroom. Yeah. Okay. Only the hardcore viewers are left. Obviously. That took a long time. Let's win this. I have the feeling that the F3 move cannot be good. But then again, the knight defends this pawn. Yeah, there's one of those guys is playing against a dragon while I'm playing, what is it called? Not a dragon anyway. Also Sicilian, but dragon is with the pawn here and the bishop there. This setup is in order to play the bishop here when the pawn is there, in order to stop me from pushing this pawn, so they can come with this pawn, attack my pawn here on g6. But my pawn isn't on g6, so what is it doing? What is white doing? Not knowing what they do, I guess. But I also don't know how to punish it, unfortunately. This pawn. Gotta check too. I probably should put my queen there. Okay, now if they play this pawn and then that pawn, then my knight has a problem. And they get kind of an attack, I have to admit. So I guess I just play this, but then they take it and then they have an open file as well. Still have an attack, right? It's very, very annoying. Very annoying. Basically I have one move left. It's not enough. Well, I can move my knight away and then my knight can go there at least. Yep, and then now this pawn is coming. And then it can go there. I really have to get my own attack going now, because otherwise I will be too late. Much too late. Wait a minute. 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it's possible, right? No, I'm threatening to win the queen, or not. I take here. I could take my queen. No, it has to take back, otherwise you lose a piece. Then I go there. Yeah, whatever. I'll have to take back, I guess. Yeah. Still threatening to win the queen now. Because this queen would be pinned if I do that. Cannot take my queen. Oh, that's nice. I go here, and do you take my queen? I take a queen. I just win a rook. It was still a good move. Because white thought I attack his queen, so he must move the queen. Well, that's not true. He could attack his queen. What? He thought let's move the only piece that defense against made. Mohammed, yeah, I guess. Or you can just help me by saying what I should do. I'm trying not to lose here, so if I play against you, I'll probably lose, right? Like before. So what's the move here? Tell me. I guess that's classic. Can I play f4? Okay, you're too slow. It's a 5-minute game. Yeah, now what? I should play my queen here, but then what do I do if the bishop comes all the way there? Just step aside, I guess. Yeah, it's not even really a problem. I can just put my queen here. Sacrifice my bishop here. Might not be a good idea. I'm running out of time. I'm running out of time. Is that good? Let's close. No, that is a strange move. This guy dares to castle short here. Gotta be kidding me. I want to move this rook just to give him time to castle short. But still kind of have an attack. Is it here? I suppose. Castle, castle. Look, the rook is on the same file. And this is wide open. Yeah, that's what I wanted to see. Yeah, that was the hot chocolate milk. I think the knight is here to take back this pawn. You can't take with this pawn anyway. Then you get here a fork on the rook and the queen. I'll just take, I guess. See what happens. Take with that pawn? No. I attack your knight. Oh, it's defended. Wait, if I do that, knight goes away, gives check, attacks queen and that, so I have to take it. I can take with the knight, protecting that one. Yeah, must work. Now I'm threatening to take the knight with my rook. Oh, that's too bad. I wanted to sacrifice here. Can I give check here first? Probably goes to the back row. Probably there, yeah. And then what I have? Then I lose my knight. Let's take back. The rook comes here, of course. And then they want to double the rooks, which would be pretty annoying. Oh, now he can give check here. Oops. Oops. Yeah, that was annoying. Your rook is attacked, yes. Ah, sir, your rook is attacked. Move the rook. What shall I do about this lost pawn here? Double pawn. Should I just give it away? Pins my rook. My knight, I mean. I don't know, I don't care. Chip goes back. Very annoying. Attacks my rook again. Okay. Here. Here. Could do that one. Let's go for a draw. Shit, my knight is gone. Can't even sacrifice. Oh wait, I can sacrifice my knight here. I'm so going to promote my pawn. I want to promote it. Yeah, it's not true, isn't it? It's not true. I got a pawn here. Otherwise, you give check here and I lose the rook, but not true in this case. Oh, I'm sorry, now I'm pawn up. Mwahahaha. Promote, promote. I'm so winning this. Unbelievable. Completely wrong game. I think. Let's get 2 queens. Oh, like that. Yeah. Annoying. Damn it. Yeah, we won that. Is this Mohammed? I guess so. 10 minutes plus 3. How can you have 1877 with a question mark? And why can I not click on the... Oh yeah. Or not? Yes, we got oh, I have 1500 question mark. 10 minutes. I mean, yeah, never play that. So I'm probably 1500 here. Mohammed Salim bin Salim. Wake up. Oh, there he is. Yeah, MK, this is a very, very special moment that you called me. Never happened before. I'm not even sure why I put my bishop there. Hey, I castled and you still need 2 moves. So from the perspective of white, that's oh really? Okay, I'll do this. Oh, it's already midnight. Oh shit, I really should have... Also playing chess is not good. I should just stop watching the monitor at all, completely. What is happening here? This is not going good. It's not going well. fuck. Well, it's a good thing. Because I just want to stop. I have to do something else. The 10 minutes it's like, it's gonna take another 20 minutes. That was no fun. And I lose anyway. So, well done, good game. I'm gonna go offline.